Hi everybody, welcome ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Al Lucchino and welcome to the Harley-Davidson of Danbury virtual showroom. I've got another fantastic motorcycle that just got traded in at our dealership to show you today. It's a 2025 Harley-Davidson 975 Nightster. Now, customer just upgraded to a lowrider ST. This is a great opportunity for you. 803 miles. We'll talk about the specifics. 803 miles, factory warranty good until August of 2027. So we got a new machine. We got the optional Whiskey Fire paint on this one. So a lot of nice things on this motorcycle. The 975 Nightster has 91 horsepower, over 70 foot-pounds of torque. It's tuned for low to mid-range performance. We've got 3+ gallons of fuel capacity, but it's under the seat like our V-Rod model of some years back. So low center of gravity. Wet weight running with fuel is only a little over 480 pounds, so it's a light bike. Great stuff, very important, but what's the real reason that you ride it? Well, low center of gravity, easy to handle. This bike feels even lighter than the 480 pounds that it is. Got really conventional styling, so it looks right. Twin shocks in the back, 16-inch rear tire, 19 in the front. And again, that low to mid-range torque makes it easy to ride. Now, we've also got a lot of nice enhancements on this. We've got ride mode, so you've got range, street, and sport. You've got anti-lock brakes for safety. You've got traction control. So great features, LED lighting front and back. Harley-Davidson's done a great job of appointing this motorcycle with the right features, but making it at an affordable price. This one is only $10.5K. As I said, factory warranty good until August of 2027. Because it's a pre-owned bike, it's been previously titled, you not only get the factory warranty, but there's no factory freight and setup costs, so you save big over new. Again, this is the best of the best pre-owned bikes at Harley-Davidson of Danbury, and you'll find them right here at our dealership. We're located at 51 Federal Road, exit 7 off I-84. I want to point out a couple of things. Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a Jekyll and Hyde exhaust system dealer. That's a multi-mode, quiet, medium, loud exhaust system out of the Netherlands. You can see the poster right here. We're factory authorized for them. We've had a number of customers upgrade their 975s with the Jekyll and Hyde exhaust. Works and sounds beautiful. Really is the icing on the cake, the creme de la creme for this motorcycle when you put the Jekyll and Hyde exhaust. We're located at Federal Road, 51 Federal Road, 30-year family business, 203-730-2453. And I want to point out, right behind me is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer. You'll see the sign says Scrim and Eagle Performance. We can test, tune, and improve virtually any carbureted or fuel-injected motorcycle for you. We do offer those dyno services at our dealership. In fact, when we're building some of the big bikes, we refer to ourselves as the Harley-Davidson Muscle Factory. So thanks for watching this video. We got a great motorcycle for you. Don't miss it because it's a great bike and it's a big savings over a new one. And we'll see you at the dealership. Come on down, bring your riding gear, and I'll take you for a test ride on this motorcycle. Thanks for watching.